Hey everybody, I'm back again. Here we go, we've got a review for the set number 60239 Police Patrol Car. Here we go. It's actually fresh from the Lego store. We actually visited today. Our Lego store is located in London Mills here in Maryland. I've got this new set because basically it's a police car and we need a new one for our city. It's kind of nice too. This is the old car we have here. We'll be comparing and contrasting the two when I get to the end of the build. So this is going to be a build and review for Lego kit number 60239 Police Patrol Car. Okay, I look forward to seeing you at the end of the build and we'll have a little talk about the kit. Okay. We've got the kit just here. Comes with, let's see, 1, 2, the body, which I believe, if I've read over people's comments about this, is from the Speed Racer range. And we have instructions and the inevitable sticker sheet, which I'm going to get out of the box in a second with big fingers. And the inevitable sticker sheet here. I'm not a huge fan of stickers. I'm from a time when Lego used to imprint everything. I think I know why they're doing this, because it's a wonderful cost cutting measure. That means they don't have weird bricks sticking around, just oddities on there. But they are what they are. I've read people's reviews that says don't stick the sticker sheets on your kits because it reduces the value of them. It's Lego. It's there to be used and played with, and well, let's be fair. This is going in my city. And eventually, I guess at some point, my kids or my kids' grandkids will be playing this Lego. So it's got our stickers. It's got to be a police car. I don't see it going anywhere else. So that being said, we're going to get on to the speed build for this. Okay, see you at the end of the build. Bye. Hey everybody, well you probably saw the speed build, it was actually quite a nice little build to put together. I got a little bit lost halfway through, but I'm really terrible at jumping ahead of the instructions and not staying with them. Here's the patrol car, here we go, there we are. It's basically a standard 4 chassis, but it's basically extended out to a 6 chassis, which I believe is becoming the norm for LEGO builds. If I've been listening to other people's reviews and other kits, it's pretty much what's going on with the Speed Racers line, which I really like. So I think that's why we're seeing these slightly larger LEGO vehicles now. It looks pretty mean from the front there. Got a nice thickness to it. It's got a very serious roadster look, which is kind of attractive. It's got a nice and clunky feel in the hand. But that's the vehicle there. It's got these smooth off points, which I'm kind of okay with. Doesn't feel consequentially Lego, because Lego's studs, and let's face it, it's a little bit bumpy that way, right? So, but you know, it's nice and sleek, it looks mean, it's a lovely little build, about 92 pieces in total, really about 89 pieces in the build itself, the rest is basically on the patrol man that goes to the vehicle. But we'll look at him in a second, okay? So that's the vehicle. Bring out my handy dandy little stud protector, which you probably saw me using the speed build when I got a little bit complicated. Okay, this is our patrol man. Basically standard gloves. Well, actually, he doesn't even wear gloves. Tie, baseball cap, sunglasses. Yeah, I'm not too keen on these type of police things they're doing nowadays. There's his custom. There's his radio on the back. Doesn't go all the way down to the pants. It's okay. He's a police officer. He's recognisable as a police officer. But you know, I kind of like the old police flat caps that Lego used to have. But I gotta say, Lego does have a very authoritarian bent with all these police sets they have to do, but they do it because basically police make money. There's a look at him there. He doesn't obviously have a rotating head, so there's only one expression, which is the meanest sunglasses. There it is. And I'm gonna basically put him next on my baseboard over here. I'll put this over here. Also, you get 2 traffic cones. Bit of a throwaway item, I thought, but you can add little police vigilantes for play, but to real play, you're probably going to need one of the police crook sets. I'm going to bring this up here because I did say I was going to compare and contrast to the old police cruiser I had. I'm not too sure of the age of my old police cruiser, but that guy on my, well, it's my right to as I'm filming this, but it might be swapped over to my left. Is the old police guy, the old leather jacket guy you recognise with the flat cap, sunglasses, mean looking, almost Judge Dredd style leather jacket, next to the softer tie and shirt of the police guys. Yeah, that kind of neat to go. Although I do think the flat cap guy looks more like a baseball cap guy. It's just full of baseball. Here's the old police cruiser I have. I'm not actually too sure of the vintage on this. I'm thinking we probably bought this probably 10 years ago. So you can start seeing some of the elements you saw in the other police roadster you saw earlier. I kind of like it. It's the usual slim 4x4 width police vehicle. Goes out to a 6 with the wheels, which I've just pulled off very easily there. I don't know my own strength anymore. There we go. Everything's on stickers on this one, I believe. So, yes, everything was on stickers for this one, yes. Got the studs on it. I kind of like the idea of the studs. After all, it is a Lego vehicle, not a real world vehicle, and these drive-through realism sometimes makes it feel less like a toy. It's a bit thin, but there we go. I'm going to put it next to the police cruiser so you can see what I have to go. There we go. One is definitely more recognisable as a Lego vehicle than the other. The other one looks like a basic kill me from pulled out of a die-cast box, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. But yeah, I wanted another police vehicle for my city. I'm not going to go over the top with police. I do believe the police, there's a lot of police stuff that makes Lego feel very authoritarian. We have a couple more police cars, see if we can find some variation on the themes. But this is a nice little fast pursuit vehicle, and this looks like a standard, patrol car. So I'm going to get the guys inside. One thing I have noticed with the new Lego kits is you get the non-grippy wheels anyway, like slicks. These are the old wheels. I recognise these more from back in the day when I used to really play with Lego. Basically a variation on the single wides, now basically the double wides in this one here. So you put it down in one place, it stays in one place. This one here, obviously, there are slicks now. Still not a huge fan of the take the roof off, put the figure in deal. And the figure itself comes with no accessories in this set, so basically I thought it was a little bit of a letdown. We each could give him a pair of cuffs or something. But that's the figure inside the vehicle. I still think the roof should be a hinge top and a bit more to the play value. But there we go. Both together now. It really is a much shorter police vehicle. Look at that. Nice and put them side by side for you. Wow. That's a whole half one. Quarter length again, and definitely a lot wider. So, as they compare, do they compare? Well, not really. This is significantly a better quality toy in terms of feel and play. I just like the Lego-ness of the other one. Do I recommend this kit? Yes, I do. It's great for any for the kid out there. Basically, the kit starts at 5+, but there's some small parts, so you may have to build it for them. It stays together quite solidly. I'm giving it a bit of a squeeze here. It's not coming apart. It runs very smoothly. Not a lot of clearance on the ground, so basically, if you've got a smooth surface, it'll run quite nicely. But on a carpeted surface, it'll probably get tangled up a lot. Certainly going to be a good addition to my Lego City. It feels more like a highway pursuit type vehicle, but it's kind of nice and sleek. It has got me jonesing a little bit for the Speed Racer range, but I've seen a couple of kits in there I kind of like, especially the Mini Coupe and the Mustang, which looks a little bit like a Ford Escort to me, but I believe it's a 1967 Mustang, which I might pick up for myself later. Smooth is smooth. I do prefer more bumpiness because, let's face it, it's Lego and there's a certain quintessential fun about that kind of thing. There's a picture of the back end, side, and front, and side again. You did see me get a bit lost, but I happen to do that sometimes. Quickly show you this one again, the smaller, older Lego vehicle. However, changed from 10 years, right? Difference between these two is what, 10 years in the kits? Wow. Lego has come a long way in many ways. So, that being said, I thank you for watching my review of kit number 60239 Police Patrol Car. It's rather neat. I kind of enjoyed it. Lego hasn't disappointed me so far. And I thank you again for basically listening to my review here on Old Tube. Stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe and like this. And of course, leave a comment below to let me know that you're watching and see if you agree or disagree with my thoughts. So, thank you for watching and have a real good day now. Bye.